Cress seeds and saffron, each with their unique properties, offer a multitude of health benefits. 1. Nutritional richness. Cress seeds are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, iron, and calcium. They're a great source of nutrients for bone health and immune system support. 2. Digestive health. Both cress seeds and saffron are beneficial for digestive health. 3. Mental well-being. Saffron is celebrated for its potential in enhancing mood and treating symptoms of depression. 4. Skin and eye health. Saffron is famous for its skin benefits. It's believed to promote a healthy glow and improve skin texture. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also benefit eye health, potentially improving vision and preventing age-related macular degeneration. 5. Cancer prevention. Both cress seeds and saffron contain compounds that have been studied for their potential cancer-fighting properties.